Arigitani makoretwo muharini wa mbere hari kuhitana na murimu wa COVID-19 indi makoretwo na ndugamano kihiri gatagati-ini kao na thirikari nene na thirikari cia kaunti. Ndugamano iria kwa ihinda riri icungiriirie mo gubutwo mawira na angi makiheo mikana ya gubutwo wira.
Good evening.
Maabithaa a gikiro gia clinical officers thiku nini tu thutha wa kunina mugomo wao nimaugite nimagakorwo magitabania mururungano kiumia turorete thutha wa kanju ya mangabana kwaga gutia mukana wa thiku 2 uria raheanite agikorwo ngirimiti ya iria mekiraniire ndigutio
because they never executed the return to work formula. So we are not here today to start a new strike.
We will now, starting tomorrow, that is midnight from today, the clinical officer shall activate the strike. This is the reason that the return to work that provided grant for them to go back to work has been taken away by their government. That is the county government.
Na thutha wa marigitari 86 kurugamio wira muthenya wa ira ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombasa aria ni hamwe na mwandiki munene wa kiama gia KMPDU Chipanzi Mwachoda ni moritio the macoke mawira-ini miario yao igithiaga na mbere na gutire mundu ukuerwo ikinya. Kuringana na ndari ya madagitari guku bururi-ini, ndagitari umwe arigitaga arwaru 10,000. Manathi 428 kuma kaunti-ini ya Githumo mishara yao ni rugamitio thutha wao gukorwo magomete na mahetwo thiku 7 metetere no indi ni magiritio guthie mathibitari-ini. Mugomo wa manathi ukoretwo ho kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe kuria mieri ya kunina thina uyu ikoretwo ikiringa ihiga. Kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu manathi aria matagukorwo magicokereria wira ni mahetwo mukana wa gubutwo. Ndumiriri iria rekereirio ni CC wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini no akiuga mishara yao ni kurugamio mweri-ini uyu.
Staff that do not want to provide services, we are already taking action and we have said we will stop salary, and if it reaches a time that we need to advertise for those positions, we are going to do that so that the mwananchi does not suffer.
Thina uyu urathie na mbere o kuiba muthenya wa ira kiama kia maabithaa uthimani laboratory-ini makiruta mukana wa kuigamiro ya othe makiuga ni marenda mateta mao mathikiririo maria ni hamwe na kuheo indo cia gwithaitira kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu wa COVID-19 na insurance ya Arigitani. Maya mokite oriri andu 335 monekanite na murimu wa COVID-19 na gukinyaniria ithabu ria arwaru othe guku bururi-ini ari arwaru 97,733 guku andu 8 magikua. Ithabu ria riothe matoretio ari 1,702. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, retora kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.